Hey guys, it's Jason over at Kaiser Willys. We have a big announcement to make. You guys have been asking for these for a long time now. Well, Kaiser Willys, this is going to be a Kaiser Willys exclusive part. We just got our new proof in here. We've got it freshly painted. This is going to be the steering wheel for the truck, the station wagon, and the Jeepster. So this is the ivory color. We're still kind of tinkering a little bit with the ivory. We like the way it looks. We might try to get it a little bit closer to the ivory horn button we already sell. So this is coming down the pipe. You guys have been asking for this a long time, and we've been telling you that they are around the corner. Well, guess what? They really are around the corner. I have the first proof here, just fresh off the painter. So wanted to show you this. I'm gonna get you in here and show you the other parts that we have that goes with this steering wheel. This steering wheel will also be offered in black, just like we used to. Those are all gonna be Kaiser Willys exclusive parts. So I wanna show you the horn buttons. I wanna show you, kind of get you in here and let you see this new proof that we've got here for this station wagon truck and Jeepster steering wheels. This is the steering wheel. Really, really nice. You can see the paint job. It's really nice here. So again, this is the proof. We still have to go through and drill the holes for that inner retaining ring for the horn button setup. Everything's there. We've already got the, you can see we've got the hub installed for the actual steering wheel itself. Let's get these horn buttons that we already sell. So here's the ivory, and here's the black. And then we also have the cushions, the pins, the retaining ring, like I said. So we do sell all of these parts. You see there's 3 mounting holes here. Those are what have to get drilled in these steering wheels. So we've got the cushions, these come out. You've got the pins, they seat in there the way that they're supposed to. Once you kind of adjust everything up, and then this is gonna fit right down into this hole here, just the way it's supposed to. You've got the horn buttons. Those are gonna press down in just the way that they're supposed to. So as you can see, let me see if I can kind of get you a little bit better. So we're working with the color a little bit. We kind of like it because it kind of plays well with itself. And then you've got the black one. So black, same deal. Looks really, really sleek. So again, we're really excited about this. You guys have been asking for these for a very long time. They're making a comeback. It's a Kaiser Willys exclusive part. We're gonna have the early, the late, ivory and black. Here's the ivory sample. So be looking for this. Again, right around the corner. So I just wanted to give this announcement to you guys. Thanks for shopping with Kaiser Willys, and we hope to see you guys putting these on your vehicles real soon. Thanks for watching.